Yeah, if you talk to me, baby, then talk to me nice. Be in the dogs, you slime tonight. Topping the hoes, I'm way too polite. I got a put some good gas in my eyes. She tryna fuck by the end of the night. Fell in love with me on here and ain't right. Buy you things I know that you like. Bitch, I'm a
So it's on that bit?
Yeah, it's on, bro. This man,
We done got the motherfucking Redeye. Hey man, I'ma pop the hood so you hear that motherfuking whine though. God did. Oh. Redeye. God damn it.
you gonna touch it.
I had to see. I had to see. Look. I got to see.
One more time.
You loud as fuck. Oh, God.
Look who it is.
Look at this nigga. Make sure y'all get this nigga.
You vlogging?
Vlogging right now.
Man, you see what we doing? We outside and shit. We finna hop in the 800,000 horsepower motherfucking Redeye, not the regular one.
800,000.
Not the regular one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the back seat. Yeah, put my 2 seatbelts on.
Still my 2 seatbelts. It's crazy.
Just a little header. Gotta get to the 8. Header intake.
220.
Oh. You know. How you feeling, JP?
See, alright, see.
My
seatbelt on, hold on. Let me get tripping.
Let me get my shade real quick.
Hell yeah. Yeah. They probably in Florida. I ain't lying. No, it's not. I did. The Pradiatiados. The Pradiatiados. But I can't even wait to hold it. They be already 10 in it, bitch.
Yeah, it's like going to a Vinville, but it's on the right hand side. The first light.
You gonna feel this shit right here.
We 4 deep.
Damn.
Nigga, whatever, man. As soon as I walk outside, I hear him. I say, let me go ahead and get it.
Oh shit. They be from the screen.
Ain't no way that shit said 80 already.
God.
He ain't even go nowhere.
Oh, God.
Fuck.
I felt all that shit.
That shit was in your stomach.
I know he was in his stomach. He in the front. God damn, I felt that back here.
That shit.
Oh God.
I ain't gonna lie, but that scat pad had me sick one day, but I ain't lying.
Oh, that scat had that commander on that hole.
But if we was on the back road, boy, I died.
You don't need no better commander, bro.
Hey, bro, would I tell you what to do with your car?
I'm just saying.
I'm finna go live with my glass.
That bitch said Hellcat.
Oh, God.
Be like, hit the kitty cat.
No, this ain't no kitty.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lion.
Nah, the cat. We in the cat, bro. How you feel with the camera?
Just out, ain't it?
Yeah. God did. Look at Jay. Look at that. Oh, you would definitely hear that bitch.
Yeah.
So this
That
shit
bit
real?
around. Stretch it. Definitely that motherfucker.
Yeah, wait till the cargo.
And that bit hug too. That bit wide.
I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Wait,
Slow down a little bit.
wait till they.
That's a turn, really.
How you doing now? Making that turn.
Shit.
You heard that motherfucker.
Oh, God.
Damn, get the fuck out the way.
Wild
shit.
body. It is right
He
there.
right there.
I love me a little light, bright.
Yeah, we know you scared of this shit. You saw that?
Say, how you doing?
800 by the way.
Yeah. I was like, damn.
Hey, twin, you gotta, I ain't gonna lie, you gotta get in.
You gotta get in, bro.
You gotta get in.
Your shit gonna be stirring. Let's go on, my boy. Yeah.
He said this bitch is beautiful. Hey, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Let me drive it. Drive it, bro. Let me drive it.
When you get your cut, bring the vet. I'll drive the vet. You drive this one. Do a video.
I'm scared to try this shit.
Sissy boy.
I'm gonna go get his ass.
Sideways, bitch.
Yeah, it's been race, bro.
Damn, that shit feel
Hey,
good, bro.
oh my god. Nah, that's
Oh, God, been
crazy.
race though.
That
What's
shit
up
feel
with
good
it?
as fuck.
Put the money
That
up
shit
though.
sound good too.
That is crazy.
You say you want to race. I said put the money
Smell,
up.
ooh.
Oh, I can smell the
That black,
supercharger.
oh, hard, oh, God.
I can smell this.
I can smell the supercharger, nigga. That ain't exhaust. That's the supercharger, bro.
Man, I thought that was a
Say, how
tire.
much- He said how much you talking, how much you want to bet on the race. He said, oh, you keep chatting.
It's levels to this shit, man. Let me text little mama real quick.
Yeah,
I love her.
What you trying to bet? Money, you said money got not a problem. What you got? What kind of car you got?
Oh God, I would tell those niggas if they both go scat, I'm taking along. I'm going to get along.
Oh, if they go scat, yeah, you gotta.
I see Kel going SS.
Shit,
Kel need to go ZL1.
I can get an SS easy. SS ain't the problem. I want that ZL1 though. I'm not gonna go all or nothing. So I get one.
Trying to go supercharged.
So you working hard?
So you feel that
Oh
shit?
shit!
I got a few for the Redeye. Just depends on which one on the race.
It's giving. God.
Yeah, let me try
You
this.
said you got a call for the Redeye. Hey, DM me. We'll set that shit up. We got it. This Camaro
This
SS.
nigga shit must be geek.
Oh God.
Hey,
What's it called?
let me try this.
Must be a custom.
I'm doing manual right now.
Go on that road right there and spin this shit. That's kilometers of.
No, that's my power.
That's my power.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh shit.
that ain't this
Hey,
guy.
no, we ain't worried about him.
That ain't this guy.
Oh, that would be some great content. They won.
They won. Yeah, either way, I was gonna hit that green light.
Oh God.
Nah, fuck this shit.
I don't want to know I got it. Follow that location. This is stock.
There's no way. Ain't that bitch hugging.
Spin this shit right here, right here. My wallet come on.
It might be a long
Little
road.
fast shit.
Let's go into a paper road. This will be a long road.
Oh, it is a long road.
Nigga, I want to slide this shit.
Nigga, I done recorded like 5 videos.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Get some light, goddamn. Come on, feel like goddamn camera. Where's the goddamn? Hey, man. That nigga pay show, man. Proud of my boy for, you know, getting what he got. Little red-eye motherfucker. He out here tripping, cutting up. But, shit. If he can do it, bro, at a young age, everybody else out here can do it. All of us next, I can't lie. Me, shit, Cam, everybody. We next. You gotta stay true to the course. Like he did. You know, prayed every day. Got what he got. Thank God. So, feel me, it's no you without that man. So, y'all gotta definitely, like, thank him for being here. But let me show you these fucking skid marks.
That's what I want. I want to go to an auction.
Yeah. But you know, the auction, though, you gotta work on it, though.
I'm about to say, the only thing about the auction, bro,
Yeah.
either one is repo or that bitch it's a rebuild title.
Yeah.
Which means somebody had an accident and then tried to rebuild that bitch. Or you gotta do that shit your damn self.
I'm gonna go out there one day. I get enough bread, see if I can find me a repo.
Jalen, what you in the Russian Union doing?
Work.
Y'all niggas still got work?
Yeah.
Get out. Last day Friday.
I'm a last minute ass nigga.
It was
I
a
had went for that shit. When I seen this nigga yesterday night, I said, bro, I'm gonna go ahead for the rest of the damn work.
It was a day of the biz.
Oh God, I had something to do
biz.
that night too. I saw your ass. I was like, but let me go in my damn.
Some service on the biz.
Red eye. Got here, Bubba. Thank you.
Look at the nigga Bubba. They be like, damn, like.
I was thinking.
I was thinking about getting the biz too.
Yeah, that shit got 11,000. What kind?
This something cheap.
CLA.
That nigga Jalen said, I ain't gonna lie, bro, my bad on that, but.
Nah, get a C63.
Regular one?
No, I said the S.
Let me see it.
The S.
But
Talking about the S series?
Bi-turbo.
Oh, the bi-turbo, yeah. The
577
bi-turbo,
all-wheel
yes.
drive. The fuck?
They got all-wheel drive,
The
yeah.
fuck?
It ain't gonna beat it,
If it's
but it'll keep up
AMG
with it.
all-wheel, nah.
I mean, at the end of the day, you ain't really got
Off the line,
Oh, nah, he might do
off the line, he
some
gonna
shit.
fuck, but
Yeah,
you got it. Like, on the
Like
top
roll?
of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But off the line, yeah, he might grits my shit.
So I'm saying, if you want some
Well, depending,
speed
cause-
Mercedes, then you need to get the S. Don't get the
Because he got all-wheel
CLA.
drive, though, that's why. Ain't no fuck with that track hole, though.
This fucking with the track out the long game.
Yeah, off the long game, but I'm
Off
talking
the line,
about off the
fuck no.
line, fuck no.
Fuck no, like not at all.
That track hole is different.
X6, the X6M, the BMW truck,
I did see that shit.
off the line with the track out. That's one of the only things I can.
But but I think the track hole got on the top end, just sliding out.
Nah, BMW.
You think so?
Track out still got out the line, but BMW gone.
You think you gonna hog it down?
Yeah,
I don't know, bro. Them bitches be gone.
they do.
Let's
Look
see
at
what they
that.
got.
I might fuck the track out, bro.
Hey, Pedro, just drop us off at the crib.
This shit is beautiful.
Alright. I'm going black
So-
and purple though.
Like y'all seen on the vlog, man. Y'all seen it's a all black wide body Challenger, Charger Redeye, and yeah, man. You know what I'm saying. I just want to say, give all thanks and honor to God, man. You know, you ain't nothing without that man, for real. But you know, it's more to come with the cars. You know, more to come with the team, the vlog, everything, the guys, man. We got a lot of shit coming up, a lot of shit planned, and you know. That's gonna be my slogan. That's gonna be my slogan, my motto. You know, God did. But until then, I catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace out.